Dr. Smith, physical therapist here, and today I'm reviewing the Glow Selfie Ring Light. You may have seen these ring lights on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. I figured I would pick one up myself, and this one was only $13, and I'll post the link below so you can use my Amazon affiliate link to get this one. Also, when you're clicking on that link, click subscribe and hit that like button. So this comes with a charging cable. Just plug in the USB port, micro USB goes into the lamp, comes with a clip on the back, and then you have three settings. You have low, medium, or high. Of course, when you're using this, you don't want to face it towards the camera because you can see the ring light. You actually want to use behind the camera, which is what the clip is for. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my tripod, and we'll test the settings out, see how it works. So I'll clip it onto my tripod now, and we'll go start with the first setting, which is low. Good, medium, even better, and high. Perfect. It takes the shadow out from under my hat. So you can see that the lighting effect in this video just changed dramatically due to a $13 investment. I highly recommend this for only $13. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and make sure you pick up your ring light for $13 with the Amazon affiliate link below. All right, guys, I'm Dr. Smith, physical therapist. Thank you for watching.